Jenny ain't lunch! Boy, it smells like somebody took a big... Ah!
Oh, Louis, you're such a cut-up. Well, they couldn't get to you until after the new year. Well, just don't go in there. Louis, I'm closing up.
Okay, stink man. It's just you and me, pal. Couple of guys looking for each other. Only one of us did a wee bit better on our SATs. Sucker. Okay, buddy boy. I got you scoped. Oh, Mr. Pizza Delivery Man! What are you doing here? Pepperoni and pineapple? I guess I'll have to eat these both by myself! Ah! Oh, gee! Are you okay? Sorry, it was an accident. Whoa.
Louis, you give me a heart attack. What are you doing there?
Well, I was just trying to catch that stinky green guy.
Oh, he's all right.
I'm like the 5th Ghostbuster.
Why would you want to be a Ghostbuster if you're already an accountant?
Well, what if one of the guys gets sick or wants to go on an extended vacation, huh? Do me a favor. Don't tell anybody about this, okay? My training is secret.
Oh, sure. Have you made any plans yet? I mean, you know, tomorrow night's New Year's Eve.
Well, I usually celebrate New Year's at the end of my corporate tax year on March 1st. That way I avoid the crowds.
It's very practical. I hate going out New Year's myself. Good night.
Well, you know what I'm thinking is maybe, do you want to go down to the South Street Seaport and watch them unload the fish?
Oh, I'd love... I have to babysit for Dr. Venkman. Do you want to babysit with...
Okay, yeah, I'd like to babysit. What are you doing here? Well, I don't think that's a good idea. This is just for Ghostbusters. Don't be sad. There's plenty of things you and I can do together. I bet with arms like that, you're a real good bowler. See? Well, why don't you go and celebrate? It's New Year's Eve. Oh. Phooey, stink. That guy really stinks. I got a lot of friends that smell. I guess it's not that bad.